Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your text or script to videos using ChatGPT and some other AI. So first we are going to create a script in ChatGPT. I have already created a script about lions so that we can save some time. So this is my script. I created this script using ChatGPT. I will just copy this script and then I'll go to my website, Pictory. Pictory.ai is the website where we are going to use the text to create videos. I'll log in my account. If you don't have an account, you can start free trial to try this out. So after you log in, you will have this screen. From this screen, choose script to video. Then click proceed. And here paste your script. I'm going to get rid of this bullet points and I'm also going to break some sentences so that it will be easy for to create videos. So the AI can easily pick it up. So then click proceed and choose your style. You can choose any style you want. I'm going to choose this style. So I'll click select. And then I'll choose my aspect ratio, that is 16:9, and click continue. We are going to add a background music. At the same time, we are going to add AI voiceover. At the same time, we are going to add videos. The AI will do the work for us, but will customize to get the best results. So as you can see, the AI has suggested some videos. And first, let's click on audio and choose a background music. It has already applied a background music. I'm not going to change it. Then I'll go to voiceover and I'll choose a voice for my video.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory.
I think this voice will work good for this video. So let's click apply. And this voice will be applied as the voiceover. So let's go to visuals and let's search for lions. All right. So this is our first scene. This looks good to me. And this is our second scene. The AI has put a monkey, but I need a lion. They are social animals. So something like social I'm going to put. And I just have to select the scene and double click on this. And this video will be applied to the scene. As you can see, the video has been applied to the scene. Well, I just finished putting appropriate videos to every scene, and let's preview. Click on preview to preview this.
Lions are apex predators and are at the top of their food chain. They are social animals and live in groups called prides, which typically consist of related females and their cubs, as well as a few adult males. Lions are native to Africa and are the only cats that have manes, which are unique to male lions. Lions are known for their strength, power, and hunting ability, with a successful hunt rate of around 50%. The global lion population has declined significantly over the past century due to habitat loss and hunting, with some lion subspecies now considered endangered.
All right, as you can see, we converted our text or the script to a video using ChatGPT and Pictory AI. So after you are done with all your editings and satisfied with the output, you can generate your video here and download to your computer. So if you liked this video, please share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.